Um, Here we have a passengers on driver side headlight not working, so um, we open the hood and try to take out that damaged bulb outside. So there's a small tip over here. You need to do a click on the anti-clockwise and open the tab, and when you click it, then you can pull out, so that way um, you can get the bulb out. That's what I'm trying to do here, and it's a little bit hard because if it's a smaller hand, it will go inside faster. Here we go. We got the bulb outside, and you can look at that. The bulb is damaged, and there's a white dot on it. I'm trying to unplug it so that we can take out the bulb and replace it with the new bulb. Actually, the bulb I researched online. It's the same brand which I supposed to replace. It's shown that bulb is available in AutoZone, Auto Parts, and O'Reilly. So the AutoZone is the nearest to me. We went there and purchased a new bulb. It's cost around $20, and um, so that we are going to replace. So I'm just keeping that wire outside for now, and going to replace it with the new bulb. Looks like there is a valve become loose, so, and that's a new bulb. We purchased it, a similar brand whatever there already earlier. So I'm opening that new bulb. I'm gonna plug it to the wire, and you can, once you plug it, you can put it back same way, just to put inside, and do it clockwise, because you did it anti-clockwise to take out, and so you push and you do it in the clockwise, so that way it will lock it to the headlight. That's what I'm trying to do. It is a little hard because my hand little bigger. Smaller hands go inside very fast. So now looks like I finished that, and I'm gonna start the car and see how it works. Looks like it's going to, yep, here you go, it's working. So I turned on, it's working. I come out, it's awesome. So that's pretty much it's working. So thank you for watching.